Hi, hello everyone. Welcome you all for Shikshana Shakti Spardha Creative Coaching Center, Shimoga. Today we are about to continue our lesson, that is ratio and proportion. In that you have a fourth problem, what we have given you the notes. If A is to B is equal to 6 is to 7, B is to C is equal to 8 is to 9, find the value of AC. A is to C, you are going to find out the value. We shall write it in the form like this: A is to B is to C. Let us check the value of 6 is, that is A is to B, 6 is to 7, B is to C, 8 is to 9. This you are going to write it here, and again this you are going to write it here. Now with these numbers you are going to do multiplication. So 6 8s are 6 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 8s are 48. Okay, one number you got as what? 48. Now 7 8s are 56. Next 7 9s are 63. Now you got this ratio, right? This is nothing but A and this is nothing but B, this is nothing but C. Now they have asked us to find out the ratio of what? A is to C. So you check the value of A, that is A is to C is nothing but A, the value is 48, is to C value is 63. Now divide these ratios in a single number. You can write it like this also, no problem. So 48 and 63 should divide in a single table. It should not divide with some other tables. So in which table does it goes? It can goes in a table of 3. So it is like this, divided by 3 and divided by 3. Now 3 1s are 3, again 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 1, and this 1 comes to this side and this becomes as what? 18. 3 6s are 18. Now the first value, what did you get? 16. Now second value, again divide the same thing. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, again 3 1s are 3. So this is nothing but what? 21. So the value of A is to C is nothing but what? 16 is to 21. So this is your question. Coming up for the next question, the total age of the 3-person is 60 years. Now the age year in proportion, these problems are from the proportion. Till now we have solved the problems of ratio. Done. This is from the proportion part, that is 1 is to 2 is to 3. What are their ages? So now you can take the proportion of their ages. Proportion of their ages is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now you can write it as like this, that is, let the age you can take it as x. So 1x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to the total age they have given 60. Done? Yes. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. That is nothing but 6x is equal to 60. Now keep this x as it is. Transfer this 6 to that side. This comes to denominator 60 by 6. Now divide out. 6 1s are 6, 6 10s are 60. Your value of x is nothing but 10. Done? Yes. Now coming up for these present ages, you just check out. So 1 into x is nothing but 1 into 10 is nothing but 1 10s are 10. 2x, 2 into 10, 2 10s are 20. 3 into 3x, that is 3 into 10, 3 10s are 30. Now one more short trick you have, you can solve with this also. You can take the total in the numerator by, this is nothing but one more method, that is a shortcut way you can take. So the total you have been taken 60, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 6 is equal to what? 6 10s are 60. Now we have divided, you got this. Now you can directly take 1 into 10 is equal to 10, 2 into 10 is equal to 20, 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So this is your fifth problem with respect to what? Proportion. Coming up for the next part of this proportion, see, they have given you A is to B proportion to C is to D. As I have said you in the first class of your explanation or theory part, the first and the fourth term, is called extreme terms or extreme numbers, and the third and the middle, second and the third term are called as middle or mean term. The first and the fourth extreme terms, the second and the third, it is called as mean or middle terms. So now you are going, if all the values they have given except the value of A. Now what you are doing, you are finding out the value of A. This formula is required. See what? B into C divided by D. Done? Yes. How we have to take, I will show you now. For one method I will show you. See, you will be taking AD here, and this is as it is B into C. Done? Yes. Now we need to find out the value of A. You are going to find out the value of A. This again will be as it is. This multiplication, if transferred to this, it becomes what? Division. Done? This is how you are going to calculate. I have solved it for only one. I am going to show you directly now. So B, again the same thing, B, A into D will be as it is, C comes to denominator. Now C, with respect to C, again A into D as it is, then the B comes in the denominator. The last part, if you are finding out D, B into C in the numerator and this A in the denominator. Done? Yes. With respect to its problem, students, so they have given 2 is to 5 proportion to 8 is to x. You are finding out the value of x. Now take this 2 into x, that is multiplication, 2 into x, and this middle term 5 into 8. Done? 2 into x is 2x, 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are what? 40. Now take this x as it is, transfer this 2 to that side, it becomes or it comes to the denominator or division side. So now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 0 as it is, or you can take 2 20s are 40 directly. So x, what did you get your answer? X is equal to 20. This is about something about proportion, and with respect to the solving the value of what? X. Coming up for the next problem, the ratio of milk and water is 5 is to 3. Done. They have water as well as milk in the ratio of 5 is to 3. If the water is 12 liter, find the quantity of milk. They have given water, we are going to find out the quantity of milk. So you can take the ratio of milk and water is equal to 5 is to 3. Done. Next, if the water, the quantity of water is equal to 12 liter. So now quantity of milk we don't know, we are going to find out. Now take that in the form of the ratio, is nothing but 5 is to 3 proportion to x is to 12. Done? Yes. First and the fourth term we know, third and the middle term we don't know, we are going to discuss out with that. So 5 into 12 is equal to 3 into x. 5 12s are or 12 5s are 60 is equal to, so 3 into x is nothing but okay, like that. So now you transfer this multiplication t to that side, and this comes to the division part is nothing but x. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 0. So the value of x is nothing but 0. What is this x here? So the quantity of milk is nothing but what? 20 liter. Now the same kind of a problem you will be having for the 9th. Please look at the board. The ratio of length and breadth of rectangle. They have given the ratio of a rectangle. Done. rectangle they have given. Its length and the breadth is 5:3. If its breadth is 24, you are going to find out the length of this. Done. I will show you now how to do this problem. Please look at the board. So now the rectangle problem this is, they have given the ratio of 5:3. 5:3 proportion to is nothing but x is to what? 24 meter its breadth. Now the first and the fourth term we know. The third and the middle term you are going to find out. So 5 into 24 you are going to do. That is 5 into 24 is equal to 3 into what? X. Now if you do this 3 into what? X. If you do this multiplication, do it multiplication. So 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is nothing but 12. What you will get is nothing but 120. 120 is equal to 3x, 3 into x. Now transfer this 3 to that side. This comes to the denominator and this becomes 120 by 3 is equal to x. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 0. So the value of x is nothing but what? 40. What they have given? What they have asked? Find the length, and the length is nothing but this is your what? Length of a rectangle. Done? Yes. See, looking up your 10th question, if the cost of a dozen pens is rupees 90, dozen in the sense 12, half dozen in the sense 6. They have given 1 dozen pen is nothing but how much it seems? 90 rupees it seems. Okay, 1 dozen pen is what? 90 rupees. Find the cost of 20 such pens. You are going to find off 20 such pens you are going to find out. Okay, so the cost of the 20 such pens we don't know. Okay, the cost of the 20 such pens, we'll take it as what? X. Now the ratio of the amount, how will you take? So this 12 and 20 you will take it 1, that is the ratio of the pens. The ratio of the pens is nothing but this 12 and 20. 12 is to 20. Now this is cost. So this is one cost and this is one cost, that we don't know. That will take one more. So this is nothing but ratio of amount. Amount is nothing but what? Cost. Ratio of amount is equal to 90 is to x. Now the next thing is what? You are going to find out 12 is to 20 proportion to 90 is to x. Again, the first and the fourth term we know, and the second and the middle term we don't know that. So 12 into x is equal to 20 into 90. Done. Easiest method I will show you. 12 into x is 12x itself. You keep, no problem. Just do multiplication. How many zeros? 1, 2. You just keep 2 zeros. Done. 2 9s are 18. So see here what I have done. 2 zeros I have taken and 2 9s are what? 18. Now you keep this as it is. Now you keep this as it is. What? X. So 180. 1800 divided by 12. Now if you divide, just divide out, let me see. 12 into 1800. You just take this 18 first. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. That would be larger or the greater. You take 12 ones are 12 and this becomes as what? 12. Now 8 minus 2 is what? 6. 1 minus 1? 0. Putting down this 0, this becomes as what? 60. So 12 5s are 60. Okay. So again 0, 0. Now if you put down, you will get 0. 12 zeros are 0. Now your answer is what? 150. So the cost of the 20 pen is nothing but 150 rupees. Okay. Coming up for the next question, 11th question. If the cost of 2 kg wheat is rupees 33. What is wheat here? Wheat, this WHEAT. This, that is you will buy in the shop, or you will go to the ration shop, there you will get wheat, right? That you will eat a chapati from that you will make a flour, wheat flour. This is called as wheat. Okay, so the cost of what? 2 kg of wheat they have given. 2 kg cost is how much rupees? Rupees 33. Now what is the cost of 7 kgs? 7 kgs cost we don't know. Done. So this 7 kgs cost will take as what? X. Now take that in proportion as what? You take that in proportion 2 kg is to 7 kg proportion to 33 is to what? X. Kgs one side, then amount one side, in the simple manner, in the shortcut. Now again first and the fourth term, second and the third term. So that is nothing but 2 into x is equal to 7 into 33. Now again you keep it as what? 2 into x is equal to 7 into 33, you do it. 33 into 7, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 22, 23. You got as what? 231. So 231. Now keep this x as it is. Again you take this 231, transfer this 2 to that side. This becomes as what? 2. Done? Yes. Now divide this with 2. So we shall divide this 231, this one. Now 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Next putting down 3. Again 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Putting down what? Again what? 1. 11. 2 fives are 10. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Putting out point here. Now this becomes as what? 10. Again 2 fives are 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So for how much? 7 kgs of wheat, it cost around rupees 115.5. So what? 115.5. So these are about the problems of today's concept with respect to the proportion. So if you have understood this concept or the topic, please like my video and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.